Welcome back to Operation Reconciliation. Well, we're here at the Pan-African Festival in San Antonio, Texas, 2022.
And so I just say thank you for that. I like that. Go on. That's gonna be your whole thing. Photography.
So
Get it, Queen.
I spent some time in Alabama. I lived in Montgomery for about 4 years.
Okay.
So got to see some of that. Dr. King's parsonage. Yeah. You know, I did the whole tour thing. You know, saw where she got on the bus at. Yeah. All of that. So yeah. So Alabama.
Particularly,
Okay.
right there together.
All right.
So we have from that area in Mobile, and we moved to Baldwin County.
And y'all born and raised in Africa town?
No, well,
Plateau.
I have been partially raised.
Okay.
My mother was raised there, and I have a lot of family that had houses and lived there.
Okay.
Yeah, so I've been to several funerals there.
I'm gonna have to look that up, man. That sounds powerful.
It is. It was the last known slave ship.
Yeah, Kajulu, they had a statue of him in front of a church. I think they found it.
Okay,
They keep vandalizing
did
it
a
on the
documentary
bus
on
there.
that,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
Yes.
Yeah,
I think the History Channel does it.
I was trying to watch it, man, but the deeper they got into it, it was like, I don't know if I can sit with this, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It was just, you know, something was rising up in me, you know what I mean? I was like, dang, it's like that, you know?
I think the book is called Dreaming of Africa in Alabama or something like that, where they tell their story where somebody fought Cudjoe before he died, and he's kind of given, then they had other testimonies of what they went through.
Yeah, so this is what that is. Okay, gotcha. Understood. So yeah, please do come and see us. I see you all the way down to the shoes.
Oh yeah, brother. Yes,
All the way down to the shoes. I see you, brother. I see you. So yeah, come check us out at the museum, man. Thank you. I'm Ken.
I'm James.
All right.
I heard about y'all, and I've been trying to find it, but ain't make the time.
That means y'all can hear me. I'm gonna need y'all to give me an incredible hotep. So when I say hotep, I'm gonna need that greeting back. Hotep, hotep, hotep. Any good to wake up African today? Yeah. Any good to wake up today? Yeah. Look, I'm telling you now, this might be the fourth one of these that we have been blessed to do, but I'm gonna treat it like it's my first. It's my first because I get to meet new family every time. My first because I get to share with you. And for those who read the word says that we shall not pour seed in bad ground. Well, I promise you today, we done already blessed this whole situation. You all came out here, that's the biggest blessing of this situation. We're gonna educate, we're gonna entertain. It's gonna be about us, for us today. We have everything that you might get the energy that you might want to come up and dance. We're gonna take care of you. You might want to put that hand to the drum. We're gonna take care of you.
Yes, sir.
So I promise you, today is your day. My name is Baba Mandrea. I've been blessed to be y'all host for the rest of the day. As y'all see, I'm a tad bit chocolate wearing this gold. So we're gonna get some of this free vitamin D. You ain't got to go to the pharmacy to get it. You can get it for free out here today. Get you some water and some vitamin D. You don't go bad at all. Any questions you might have for today? Today is the day, and this is the place where you should not be afraid to ask your questions. Spit your views. We're gonna have open mic today, so that poet that's in you, that storyteller that's in you, that's undercover, y'all can
You have art like this? Yes, we do.
Girl, I know. So you know your fit and your style. Yeah. Yeah, I wear them and I know you sound good.
Mine are like the things we have for that. We're working on it.
Agave lime. That sounds good.
So you've been to the exhibit station.
Is that a wrap skirt? No, it's just a regular skirt.
They don't go to Nigeria. I want to ship to Nigeria.